Hello friends, let's learn simplification trick for this type of numeric question. Answer is 7. 7 is repeat. So answer is 7 upon 9. One number. So we write 1 9. 7 upon 9. Next 32. 32 is repeat. 32 upon 99. 2 digits. So we write 2 9. 3 digit is repeat. 496 upon 3 times 9. Answer is 496 upon 999. Here 5 is 1 time. 87 is repeat. So 87 upon 2 times 9. If you learn something new, then like, share and subscribe.